Production expert. There we go. Yeah, mami go. Wait, wait, wait. Grabe. Sino ang lalabas? Maki Chong and Bing Bing Malone.
John Santos. Okay, we have John Santos and Jordan Burns. Is still from Pagadian San Miguel. David Malone, number 44, followed by Poblacion Eagle Sibugay. Maki Chong in second place, and third place, John Santos, Team Jerez. Fourth place, Team Jerez, John Dan Perez at the fourth place. Matirang matibay partner, laban kumularan! Silensyo lang sila todo, tamila ng mga motoro. Amo si tinatawang idol na true to life story, the motorcycle is flying without wings. Ayan na naman! Ayan na naman! Alam nyo kung ano engine oil ang ginagamit nila? Maestro, tanong mo si Cap, ganito kita. Galing ko yan ang training petrol engine oil. Ang ginagamit nila mga kaibigan. Napakalakas lumipad yung mga motor nila. From San Miguel, Pagadian City, Billy Malone, followed by number 5, Maki Chong, Evil Sibugay. Yes! Third placer, Team Jerez, Jan Santos. Wow! At the fourth placer, Pakitang Gilas, Danang 7. From Team Jerez, Dandan Perez at number 4. Maestro, talagang kapinising Cap Music sa Robin. Power ng mga rock and roll. Kaya kira si Cap Robin Uy.
Ako na? Ikaw rin?
Magic Music. Pasensya na mga vlogger ha, para kayong copyright. Kay Cadrico sa itong apa. O, mañana al final de ating señores, mira ustedes, the most exciting moment, el championship moment, round. Ayan na po. Yan. Uulitin ko lang po ang ginagamit nila na engine oil. Ayan, galing po sa Leo Trading petrol engine oil. Kaya malakas lumipad, hindi umiinit, hanggang lang mga makina. Yan.
Ako na Bing Bing Malone.
Still leading on, we have bike number 44, we have Bing Bing Malone, followed by bike number 5, Maki Chong, in the third place we have John Santos, and now with the bigay na naman ng flags, Mr. Dandan Perez. Show up. DP7 at number 4 placer, show up. More drinks to come from Dandan Perez, Team Jerez, Putig, Zamboanga City. Ayan na si Dandan. Hala. Okay, on the corner. Prepara mga video. Miral del show up del DP7, Team Jerez. Okay, still bike number 44. Bing Bing Malone, the 17 years old. And the 21 years old, Maki Chong. No? Yan na.
Grabe.
Prepara la camera ya na. Mira el show up di Dandan Perez. Si cosa vale hace show up di suyo, clap your hands o turn head. Mira ustedes. Allá, DP7. Prepara la cámara. Okay. Dandan 7. DP7 on the track. Signature. No pit, Dandan Perez. Ito ka kita mano. Kayo content mo kita photo ko sniper. Amo ka te open flow. Kung ka kadabakal ko mano.
Bing Bing Malone nagkuhan Maki Chong. La!
Ayan na, malapit na si Maki Chong. Naging bar-to-bar na naman mga kaibigan. Ayan na po. Love number 44. Nagbigay na naman ng track si Maki Chong. Love number 5. On the corner. Inside, outside. Big Malone, bike number 4. And Maki Chong, bike number 5. Still bar-to-bar. Ayan. Nakuha. Ayan na. Wow.
Layuan na ka.
Iba talaga. Olea Trading engine oils, no? Nako, Hindi umiinit yung makina. Announcer lang yung umiinit sa kanilang model. Hoy!
Pwede pa change oil yan, partner.
Ayan na, John Santos, Dandan Perez.
One hand. Palabangan ito, Dandan Perez. One hand.
Isang yawa naman dyan! Wow! Bardobar na naman! Inside out! Inside outside! Wow! Malapit na! Wow! Wow! Naku po!
Sabi, overjam ni Maki. Oh, layuan na kayo.
Jump na naman.
Pero Teresa, aki lang si natuan. Pili kita, miles de gracias con el yatón. The walking
Ala.
congressman. El gente no hay mucho cuento. Acción derecho. El congressman de Aton. Honorable Jerry Totong Ferez.
So once again guys, in a celebration of Barangay Latuan Motocross, Invitational Motocross, and we would like to thank our following sponsors. And a special thanks to Kapitan Robin Perez.
Lap number 7. Lap number 7. 3 more to go. 3 more to go. And this portion is brought to you by Cap Ruben Ferez.
Yes.
White flag up, and this portion is brought to
Last
you by
one.
El
One.
Capitan del Barangay Kinibut, Cap Christian Ferez.
Yes.
And also brought to you by El Capitan del Barangay Calabasa, Cap Alex Saavedra. También Elia Montillo, el honorable capitán del Barangay Lunday, el honorable Rubén Pérez. Joaquín Pérez. Ahorita me gracias por el video hermano, el espectáculo, mira ustedes. Kanya kaibigan niya pag-iya, mag-iya na kaya mag-isa, hermano. Lagi yung kanya.
Ayun na, magbigay naman ng isang Christian.
Wow! Fairnet by 57.
Alright, Maki Chong.